when you're starting to look and when you're doing your solutioning and your requirements gathering, okay, when you consider this and you have to justify it to the decision makers within your organization, you can literally say, okay, I'm using a product like this to take this many hours anticipated out of the workday per week, per month, per year. Well, that certainly makes your decision making a whole lot easier, doesn't it? It really just the time to value is just like lightning speed, you know.
Oh, it is it's unreal, right? We're talking about approving invoices in seconds because we do have straight through processing.
Mhm.
And again, that's kind of like 5 years ago, artificial intelligence and OCR and data extraction. Can I forward that? That was the buzzword in AP automation. That's not the case going forward. Our technology is leapfrogging forward saying, "Hey, we've got a purchase order that was approved in BC and we got an invoice that came in. We
Mhm.
extracted that data, they match, shoot it into BC immediately. Why does AP need to touch it if it's a match?"
Mhm.
Now, we get creative, of course, fun and configurable. Is it within a 2% variance of the purchase order or not to exceed $100? Then we'll push it through.
Mhm.
But if not, we're going to drop it into AP's queue. Let's route it for review and approval. Why is there a variance? Let's look at that. So truly, the innovation in this space, unreal for that SMB customer, 100%.